Every development, every evolutionary step in mankind's life has been opposed in the beginning as against nature. Do you think man should go back to nature? Just see the implications of it. How far back is natural? All these philosophers of back to nature have not been able to give a clear-cut answer. What is natural? And when man creates something, why do you call it unnatural? Your question is, who is going to control? Any intelligent person will think that if genetics is in the hands of Joseph Stalin, Adolf Hitler, Benito Mussolini, what will be the fate of the world? My idea is simple. Intelligence requires that we should take the challenge and we will make defense measures against the dangers and the risks. Otherwise, nothing can happen. Back to nature.